All right, I just dumped one sleeve of these saltine crackers right into my baking dish, you guys. Then I'm gonna quickly come in here with some extra virgin olive oil, and I am gonna pour about, I don't know, a little bit less than a quarter cup of olive oil. You just want to coat those crackers just like so. Don't worry too much about it. Then here I have some everything bagel seasoning because it's my favorite. And once again, I am just gonna coat those right over those saltine crackers. I can already see the seasoning just going into those cracks. I have a little bit of Cajun here because I want to add a little bit of spice. All of this is versatile. If you want to add a different seasoning or you don't want the spice, you choose. Now, Parmesan cheese, you guys, definitely select the Parmesan cheese. I also am a huge fan of the everything bagel seasoning, and like I said, a little spice is really great. So we want to coat those in Parmesan cheese and all of those delicious seasonings, and we're just going to start to marinate these saltine crackers in all of that stuff. You can start to see the seasoning just stick on those crackers. We're just moving right along here, you guys. A nice, quick, easy treat, a good snack to keep out. This is a fun little party favorite too, to have, you know, just a little grab and snack on kind of thing, which I love that style. All right, you guys, these crackers are looking nice and coated. We're gonna slide in our baking sheet here, and quickly we're just gonna come through. We're just gonna take our crackers. It's okay if your hands stay dirty, you guys. You're gonna get the opportunity to wash them. Don't freak out, right? This is fast, easy, and quick without the worry. Now, what kind of seasoning, you guys, are you gonna be putting on these saltine crackers? Are you gonna go with the everything bagel seasoning? I bet garlic would be good. Let's see, I don't even know, you know, I thought about maybe some lemon pepper, but I wanted a little bit of zing and a lot of flavor, so I chose everything bagel seasoning and a little bit of Cajun. And ooh, some of these are like really coated. I'm just gonna kind of stack them all up on here. If they kind of overlap, who cares? They're all gonna bake. It's gonna be delicious. You know, it's not that serious, right? You gotta have fun in the kitchen, you guys. Otherwise, it's just not something that's as enjoyable. Look at those. Those look absolutely tasty. We are just about done. We're gonna pop in the oven at 350 for 20 minutes and stick around because these little bites of crunchy goodness are gonna be great. And not to mention, you probably have all these ingredients in your kitchen already. Oh my goodness, our crackers are all done and they are nice and golden brown. Just to mention, it only took about 10 minutes, you guys, so a little bit less time than I thought, but look at how those are nice and seasoned. Oh, I'm gonna give it a little, really great flavor. Just a little bit of Cajun. You know how I feel about the everything bagel seasoning, right? You guys, I love that stuff. So it's like, buy some saltine crackers, look in your spice cabinet, see the array of different flavors that you have, and think of all the different crackers that you could possibly come up with rather than going to the store and buying all these individual kinds, right? I absolutely love this idea, you guys. Let me know what kind of crackers you're gonna be making, and we'll see you guys later. Ooh, enjoy.